Very well. I'm going to be fixing something that came out off camera when I told my wife. She took a look at the code and she pointed out one very important thing that I didn't actually detected during my testing, my manual testing. Let me see, and that is. I wonder if there we go. There we go. That's the first thing. Let me copy all this because I'm going to need it. Getting some attention here. Okay, nothing out of the ordinary, I guess. And the one that actually matters to me is LinkedIn. How do you pronounce LinkedIn? I don't know. There we go. Some messages here. Hola, ¿qué tal? Uh, mm, and this is basically my initial interaction with recruiters at this point. I am pretty much ignoring the rest. So yeah, I was very invested at the start during New Year's Eve, you know. I was actually looking for a job actively, but now I'm just like I'm just pushing plastic at this point. Anyway, the server is not running, is it? You know what? I'm going to install Hyper. It's been a while. Wait, what the hell is this? This is not Hyper. What happened? I don't think this is Hyper. I don't think this is it. It looks like a bootleg. What? I don't think this is it. Maybe this one. There we go. This is the one. This is going to be, I think, the first or second time that I'm going to be installing Hyper in Windows because most of the time I just install this on Linux. I tried to install this. Wait, what? Okay. If I recall, I do have the Hyper Terminal. Hyper Terminal for Windows users, Hyper configurations. Thank you very much. For Git Bash on Windows. There we go. No. Let's see the raw. And this is the configuration file. I wonder. References. There we go. Now I'm going to replace all that. Save it. And I guess I need to restore the application maybe. There we go. Now this is looking way better. Uh-oh, I cannot zoom in with my with the mouse scroll. Update. I just download you, so I'm not expecting command in the pad. Yeah, I want that because maybe I want to open this from the regular Windows. Let me see. Let's see the preferences. I wonder why it's choosing Notepad of all applications. Come on, man. Are you serious? Oh well, never mind. I'm going to do this just once. Maybe 20. Yeah, it's not bad. The font is not. I'm not a fan of that one. Okay, it's a string. There we go. What else? I should be using. There we go. That's hack. Wait, what? Mm, no. Okay, fine. Let me see. Terminal cursor background. There are not many. Okay, zero. No plugins so far. I guess that's fine. I hope this no, it's way too small. Plugins update. I wonder. Let's check it out. Let's see. Download. Extensions. There we go. Mm, mm-hmm. Okay, I see a lot of packages here. A status line at the bottom of Hyper. Thank you very much. I may like this. How do I install Hyperline? Okay. So basically, in order to install plugins here, maybe it's not click and be done, but something similar can be done. There we go. I only need to locate the plugin property on this JavaScript file here. So Hyperline is going to be the first. Let's see something else. Open new tabs with the same directory as your current. Yeah, that's actually really useful. How do I install you? There we go. It's called Hyper CW. Oh wait, I'm not in Visual Studio Code. Oh, this is nice actually. Show and hide your hyperterminal with a global hotkey. Let's try it out. What hotkey is it? Command or Control Shift C? I don't know. And Git Rocket. My wife really likes this one. This is more like oh, I need to install the npm package. I forgot about that. Mm, okay, it's going to take some time. Some problems were found. I think I can just reload. Plugins, window, file, full reload. There we go. There are some I don't see the advertise status bar. Uh, mm, mm, this is another one. I guess I should not have both of them. Ah, yeah, that was the one. My wife didn't like how this rocket looks, so I guess I'm not going to use it. I don't really care that much, but she does enjoy them. Those kind of fun plugins, I mean. Hyperline. There we go. I do want this to install file in the line config. I do believe Spotify. That's interesting. That's interesting. Hmm. Okay. So I don't see the status line though. I wonder if I need to hyperpower company project. Okay. Plugins. Okay. Hyperline. Hyper-CWD. Git Rocket. Mm, let's just close this. Wait, what the hell? It's broken. Oh, wait. Close it. Something got broken there. Mm. I still don't see. Well, at least I do have this, the working directory path, and the current Git branch is here. So basically, I don't lose anything. I basically get access to everything I am used to have on the Git Bash terminal application. So no problem here. I am curious why I'm not seeing Hyperline. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Most probably useful system information. This is what I need to see. What? Hyperline not currently supported when using Microsoft Windows. See this issue. Okay, so that's why I don't really like Windows. Well, I guess so. So too bad. Yes. Okay, so remove. Do we get an alternative? Doesn't work on Windows. Oh, yeah, it's going to be a problem on Windows. Never mind then. I tried this one. Hyperterm visor. Summon your hyper windows with a system Y hotkey. Can I just copy and paste stuff there? Copy. There we go. It's already easy to do it. Hyper startup. Hmm. Mm, well, this is just a distraction at this point. I already had what I need anyway. Okay. Bring working directory. And there we go. Okay, so let's get to work. I'm going to show you something. I need you. Well, this is a terminal. Let me show you the website. So, something that I didn't realize until my wife got here is that the carousel doesn't seem to be working. It's broken. We can actually see some additional text here. I wonder if I can. There we go. You can see that previous and next are here. Those words should not be printed out here outright. So let's read again. Let's compare the documentation, or maybe I should just look for, let's see all versions, documentation for 5. And let's look for the carousel. Wait. There we go, carousel. I'm using this component from Bootstrap in order to create this, but it's not working yet. Okay, I need to customize as I see fit. The dot added class needs to be added to one of the slides, otherwise the carousel will not be visible. Also, be sure to set a unique ID on the dot carousel for option controls, especially if you are using multiple carousels on a single page. Control and indicator elements must have a data bias target attribute. Okay, this is what I'm missing here. Or href for links that matches the ID of the carousel element. I guess I need this in order for the JavaScript to target the carousel. Okay, slides only. There we go. This is the active carousel. And I guess this is the one that I'm using, the one with controls. And I'm missing this class. This attribute here, I am missing this. I wonder, okay, carousel, but let's see. It needs to match the ID of the carousel element. So this is the carousel ID. Let's look for it. Wait a minute. The ID is carousel sample size only. This is not the same. Is there any other ID? No, doesn't seem to be. Okay, database right. Wait, is it saying? No, it's target. I am wrong. Are you okay? Class carousel flight. This is the ID. Okay. But here I don't actually see what he's talking about. This is the carousel inner. Sample slides only. Class slide data vs right carousel. Did class. What is the ID? I do have an ID here. Okay. Carousel inner. Carousel item. And this is a picture. Placeholder text. And the rest of the carousel items are here. And finally, I close everything down there. Ah, okay. So the ID is carousel example slides only. And I don't see this. This. Control and indicator. Oh, because it's not on this example. It is here, though. There we go. On this example, I don't see it, though. This is the ID. Okay. I don't see data vs target. The target, I don't see that. Okay. Yeah, I don't see it. Roll button. Okay. There we go. Oh, I can see that because I'm not using this. Okay. Other than that, carousel slide. I don't see ID here. Or data, Bootstrap, target. There we go. I found it. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. Let's get to work then. And I have a clear idea of what to do now. So here's the project, but before anything, I am on develop. I wonder if I can just open a new tab, maybe. What? My God. Never mind. There we go. Okay. And now I don't need an extra window or anything else. I only need a new tab. What? Why? Mm, I don't know what's going on, but I guess it has to do with the fact that this is Windows, I guess. Or that I'm running something on this window here. Okay, never mind then. Of course, you are not there. I'm going to make a outfit branch for the carousel. Oh, wait. It doesn't exist, obviously. B, and I am from development, and there we go. I'm going to just made, there is the rocket. Goodbye. So there is a new merge request here. No. Very simple stuff. I wonder if it would be wise to add that. I guess I do. I want to have a record of my progress. It's already here, actually. Okay. I forgot to attach. Uh-huh. 6. Oh, wait, I haven't created the actual merge request yet. Mm-hmm. There we go. There we go. And there you go. It's a hotfix, so I'm not going to spend time defining exactly what I'm going to fix, because it's going to be defined here, really. But obviously, close all this. This doesn't work. So let's open. The idea will be, let's refactor that one first, like this. Let's go to the index view and look for the code for the carousel. So it begins here and it ends where? All of this, I guess. So what I'm going to do first is refactor all this from this place here. And I'm going to create a new file inside the include folder. And this is going to be called carousel. Okay, do I have a typo? No. I'm going to paste the code here and save it. And here, I'm just going to copy this line over here. And basically, and save it. I just refactor everything as a partial here. I don't use this partial anywhere else. So basically, this is all I have to do. It's going to do the same thing. The code is going to remain broken, but never mind, it's rendering properly. There we go. And now I can focus my attention here on this place over here. All of this is static, so let me think. Margin top is no longer margin top, I recall. No, it's still because this is a custom MT45 RAM. This is a custom class that I did for CSS, so this is not a problem. BD example, I don't remember what that is. Data right, is data BS right, I think. Is that a thing now? Data BS right, okay. So here, let's look for all the instances of this. There's only one, okay, so I guess Bootstrap right. And data slide to 0, let's see. So here, data target. I do have 3 actually. Let's try to do a simple rename. Data Bootstrap target. There we go. Control S. And the ID should match the ID of the carousel. So this is fine. And now let's look for the now visible components, previews, and next. Okay. Okay. Previews, SR only, no. This should be replaced with, let's copy this, with visually hidden. Is that the right thing to do? Okay, let's check it out. There we go. I can basically just copy this here. There we go. Okay, not a typo. And save it. I wonder if it's going to work now. I wonder if you can actually see this, but I am getting an animation change here. I think this is JavaScript, but it's not moving. Okay, I need to do more, obviously. It's not doing anything yet. Let's see. Never mind. Let's continue reading. Visually hidden. What else do I need to do? I wonder if these classes belong here. Let's see. Yeah, they are there. Display a small block. I wonder if I'm missing something here. Okay, down here, carousel size. The active carousel thing is going to be removed by JavaScript anyway. Display block. Okay. This is the ID. Data BS target. Okay. That's one link. Roll button. Data slide. I wonder if this is this has been modified. It doesn't appear to be a thing anymore. Let's read. Because it's data BS slide. Okay, so more renaming. Ugh. data, Bootstrap, fly. Let's save it and try again. And there we go. Seems to be working now. Let's refresh and wait a little bit and see if the auto scroll function, there we go, it's scrolling automatically. So now it's working. It's working perfectly. So refactor process has been completed. Time to push to the cloud. Okay. Wait. Before doing anything, I haven't committed anything yet. What did I do here? Okay. As the carousel partial. What did I do here? Refactor the carousel from index. And that's it, basically. Everything is fine now. I think that's it. Okay. There you go. Fly away. There it goes. Is everything done? Let me check. I think that's it. Unless something else comes out, I will say that that's pretty much it. Into develop. There we go. And this is my hotfix. This is kind of weird. Okay, this is the full history, I guess. Merge brand into develop. So this is the history, not just the commit history. It's the entire history of the repo. That's actually very complete. Let's move out from this. I'm not convinced for the size of the font. It's 20 already. Let's try 30. 30 looks quite big. Okay. Okay, before deleting anything, let's pull all the changes into develop. Thank you very much. Now let's check out the git log. One line graph. Maybe I should find out how to make how do you call it, aliases in Windows. I don't recall how to make it that. I wonder if you can actually make aliases for in Windows. I guess you can. It's my guess. Okay, develops in the same spot. Is there a feature mapa footer that should not be there? Origin master, master head, master. Okay. There is a remote branch called feature mapa to footer. I wonder if that's deleted already. Should be. Okay. Um, Trying to delete you. And there we go. So the work for today is done. Just in time, 7 p.m. with 15 minutes Central Standard Time. Whew. It's been quite a ride, actually. Uh, New platform. This is no longer a static website. This is running on Node at the moment. It's not on the cloud yet. So I'm going to be moving from a front-end development job into a DevOps engineer job tomorrow, I guess. I'm going to show this to my wife again tomorrow, I guess, because I don't want to bother her again with this. I'm just going to send an email, I guess, or maybe she already got an email from this. Probably she's going to check it out later because she does have a job. I am a stay-at-home husband, I guess. Um, so far, great, I guess. Running a node, and officially this. Wait, why it's not working? Wait, did I do something wrong? Something happened. Now this is funny because I'm not able to go to the last slide using the controls or to the first one. Now what the hell is going on? Doesn't seem to be working. I need to see what's going on. Let me see. Mm-hmm. The buttons may be getting trouble. Visually hidden previews, visually hidden next, area hidden. I already refactored that one. Is something missing here? Seems like it broke. Oh no, never mind. I think is the server running? Okay, seems to be working here. It's not moving. Okay, there we go. It's moving now. And that's where it died there. Look at this. It's no longer working here. So I'm missing something important now. Okay, let's rewind. When I get to the last slide, the carousel is broken. I wonder why. Let's read the documentation. Something changed. This didn't happen in version 4. Okay, let's see. Okay. Nested carousel not supported. I don't. That's not my case. I wonder if I'm missing something. I don't think so. carousel item on the div. Something is not doing too good. It's broken. It got broken here. Let's see what happened. Okay. Okay, this is the one. I need the stops. If I refresh, okay, JavaScript is working properly. There we go. There we go. That's the second one. This is the third one. Okay, this is the last one. And now, this is the first one again. And that's where it dies. Now that's interesting. Yeah, it's no more. If I remove this keyword here, okay, the carousel is not going to be shown. If I go here, now it's going to be shown. But I wonder if the JavaScript's dead. Look at this, it's no longer doing anything. So seems to be working once. It's working once. I can even get back here. But for some reason, when I go back an entire spin, let's say I return to the first one, something changes and gets broken. Let's see. There. And now I go back to the first one. Wait, can I? Okay, I go back to the first one and then it breaks there. And I don't know why. Okay. That's the last one. And there is broken. What happened there? I wonder what happened here. Okay, that's what happens. Yeah, it just stops. Okay, so there is a wrapped option. But this is not CSS code, is it? Okay, wait, where do I set up this? What's this? This is not Bootstrap 5. Okay, this is the send documentation. I do have it here. Maybe I should look for this keyword wrap. Boolean true. Wherever the carousel short cycle continuously or has hard stops. Okay, that seems to be happening. Wrap false. Oh my god. Please tell me that this is not going to be the default. Come on. Are you serious, dude? Okay, let's see if I'm setting up the wrap option seems to be off by default because it's stopping. And I don't have anything called like that here. So what's going on? It's supposed to be by default on, so it's going to wrap. Supposedly. But it's not doing that. I don't remember, but I do remember that I was able to. Oh wait, that the interval. Okay. I wonder if I can just wrap around this. Mm, no. Yeah. Where are you writing this? Mm, no, there is no jQuery here anymore. Mm, it's not wrapping around anymore. Something happened. But this is in jQuery. It doesn't make any sense. Mm. Mm. And this class is no longer called like this. So this is not Bootstrap. 5 beta, I guess. Yeah, it's alpha. I need the actual Bootstrap version. Mm, yeah, you're not going to help me. It should work. Because I think that the code is in the content delivery network. I don't have a copy of the source code, and I should not be uh, demanded to actually modify a bug here. Well, it's a beta, so maybe that's an issue, maybe. Mm, this is weird. Mm, hmm. What should I do? Well, this is not working as intended. I wonder if maybe I'm missing something that I'm not seeing. Okay, data, bootstrap target, and slide. Data, bootstrap slide too. Okay. 0 to 1. This seems to be pretty straightforward. Maybe I need to rebuild the entire thing from a working example. That would be something. I know. The second example seems to be okay. This is for version 5. And another one for version 4. And now, I know there may not be the same examples, but this is what I got so far. Let's compare 4 with 5. Okay, so what do we got? We got differences since line number 1. Now, let's see what the differences are. It seems like just a rename for data right into data BS right. That's fine. And then on one of the images, the source is getting something inside, and 4 is using class before anything else. And it's bad words on 5. Well, that doesn't need to be strictly like that. That doesn't tell me anything new, I guess. Here. Okay. Nothing weird. Let's have some fun here because here they are using button elements now instead of links. So getting a button, carousel control brief, href, type button. Okay, data BS target, data slide. Okay, maybe I'm missing this. Okay. Role button, okay. Type button. And data BS target, data slide. That needs to be okay, it's added there. Data BS slide. But data BS target doesn't happen there. So maybe this is the issue, probably. Okay. That's on the link, okay. And now, this class here was renamed to Visual Hidden. And the button finishes here, the link, I guess. There is another one down here that is pretty much the same case. So probably, I'm not too sure, I'm missing this. Data vs target inside the link tag, basically. I do remember seeing this before. Okay, let's take a look to the actual code. And look at this. I do remember seeing target here. Where is, look at this. Carousel indicators. I don't think this is going to work anymore. I wonder where did I order this? I found an order list here. What's this? I'm missing something. What is it? Let me go back here. I included everything there. Now, this may be the problem. I do got a rename on this order list here, carousel indicators, but maybe I'm pulling this from another example because I don't see that structure here. Okay. This is 5. Thank you very much. Okay, this is a simple example. This is more like it. I don't see another list with indicators. Oh, this is the indicators. There we go. This is the data. But I see that I need the same things here. So I need this also on the buttons. So this is, instead of order list, he's using a div over here with captions. I'm using this version too. Okay. That's with captions, very simple stuff. I'm missing this part over here. This is what I'm missing. Crossfade. What is crossfade? Oh, okay. Fine, I guess. What? Oh, I can define a data bias interval to a specific slide, I guess. 2000 and 10,000 here. So 10 seconds here, 2 seconds there, and so forth, you know. Disable touch swiping. It doesn't know to play. Okay. Okay. So I get it. I'm probably missing setting up this very same code. Let's copy that one. I should probably, just for the sake of consistency, refactor this ordered list and list items into a div. For the time being, I should add this code here. There we go. After the roll, and maybe that's going to fix my problem. Maybe, I'm not too sure. That's it. It didn't work. Something is broken. Let me see. Data Bootstrap target and the ID. Okay. Let's check out again. This is actually very similar to the version I have. And I wonder if I can just side scroll this thing. Class active. I wonder if I have this one. I don't remember this. I am actually missing a lot of stuff here. Look at this. Oh wait, no, never mind. Class active, that's there. But I'm missing more classes. For example, here, area label. I don't have that one. Area current true. Area label. I'm missing a lot of things here, man. Okay, let's refactor this section of the code, basically. It should be a div class and buttons inside. That should be my first thing. A regular div. And for the last one, I am starting on the last one, actually. I need more there. Let's say that's just semantics. What I think I'm missing is after data BS slide set to 0, and after data BS target, the class active, after class active, I'm losing all this. Area current true, area label slide number 4 maybe. Because it's the fourth one. Although it starts with 0. Yeah, it's slide number 1, okay. And I need to add this to the rest of them. After data be a slide 1, okay. Area label slide 1. Slide 2 and slide 3. And you are slide 4, area label. Maybe I'm missing those ones, those attributes that I don't have. Maybe that's the issue here. In the worst case scenario, I will be forcing myself to rewrite this entire thing using a live example, a working example from Bootstrap 5 documentation. And that will be it, just because I'm just so tired right now. Okay. Seems to be working. Well, I don't know really. Let's see. It's over again. It breaks every single time. I don't know what's going on. That seems to work, but when I get back to the first slide, there, it's broken. And it gets down a little bit. I wonder why. Okay. Maybe what I can do is cut this from this place, add it to this place, and try that one. It's going to start on a different, no way, look at that. It didn't start anywhere. It's broken again. That's weird. Wait a minute, I think I know what's going on. Let's get that code back to where it belongs. Because this is not the only place I need to set that one. Okay, did class carousel inner. Maybe I need to look for this. 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, and 5 and 6 are basically this. Maybe I should refactor those as buttons, because they are using buttons here. Actually, I may like to copy this code, because this section here doesn't really need to be, well, carousel sample captions, okay. Where is this did coming from? Okay, it's in global. Okay, goodbye. Hello. Okay, it's the same. It's pretty much the same. Yes, it's the same. So it's from the same example. I wonder if that's going to magically fix everything. I don't think so. Oh wait, data BS slide next. I hope so. Let's try again. Oh, wait a minute, look at this. There we go. And it got broken again. It's not wrapping up and it's actually broken. One thing I may like to do, I'm going to paste this code over here, just to have a carousel copy, because I'm going to delete all this now. And I may like to paste a working version. Okay, so let's go to examples. And let's pick this carousel here. Okay. So I guess copy element. This is the carousel file. Let's save it. And probably it's going to run properly. If this runs properly, I know I'm doing something wrong on my side. And maybe I can just work my way through this one here. There we go. Looks awful, but I think I know why it looks awful. And it's not doing anything. Wait. Okay. It's working properly. Why it's working properly? Let's find out. It's working properly? I don't see you moving. Okay, you're moving again. Let's go to the last one and see if you can wrap up. Yeah, it's doing the thing. Although it doesn't look the same. Interesting. Okay, let's read the code. There is a div with an ID called my carousel. And this div encloses everything. Class carousel slide, data vs right carousel. Do I have that here? Div class example nt45. Okay, this I can ignore this first one. This is the important one. My carousel. Okay. Class carousel slide data vs carousel. Carousel slide data vs carousel. Okay, the same thing. Div class carousel indicators. Okay, that's pretty much the same. I wonder if I can just compare. Oh, wait. This one, this is the first. Select for compare and compare with selected. There we go. Let's see. Carousel indicators. Type button, that's not a thing here. Carousel explanations, and yes, I am missing stuff. Okay. My carousel. Okay, that's fine, I guess. The order is not too important at this point. But I need type button. Do I have type button here? No. Not there. That's the first thing I'm missing, I guess. Let's oh, I see. I missing this one. Okay. That's one thing. Okay, what else? The last one. Because the last one is non-existent here, so that's fine. Some other difference. The name of the ID. Okay, I don't care about that. Data via slide. Everything seems to be fine. Less item. Oh, I get it. It's not closing properly. Maybe this may cause some problems. Maybe not. Just in case, I'm going to put the actual the right value that should be there is a button. Okay, that's another mistake that I did. What else? Okay, that's done. Class inner carousel item. Carousel item. There is a dead class here. Okay. Carousel size. Carousel size is not there anymore. I see why. Okay. And now I have the actual content. Carousel inner, carousel size. It's doing something. Let's find out. What is the... Oh God. That doesn't exist. Wait. I'm not getting that. Let me see if I have a reference on the style sheet. Oh, what happened to carousel size? What the hell happened? Mm-hmm. 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 Carousel size. Where is that coming from? Maybe that's a deprecated thing. But this CSS, so it should not be bothering me anyway. You know what? I'm going to delete it. And it appears on several occasions. Look at that. What does it do? Okay, I guess it's gone now. Okay, what else? Carousel size is over. I should maybe locate all the trailing and white spaces and remove that. Wait. I lost track of that. Carousel caption. Oh wait, no, wrong file. It's this. There we go. Okay, that's another change. Well, this is the actual content, so I'm not going to bother too much with that. Maybe the actual link for the button. No, that doesn't have anything to do though. No. I see text start. Carousel caption. Do I have carousel caption? I do have carousel item. And then the actual content. Then an H1, a paragraph with some regular classes here. A link. Text live, bottom primary, href, very standard stuff, nothing weird. Another one here, carousel item store. What the hell is this? I wonder if I have this. Okay. Wait a minute. Item store. Okay. And it's repeating the stat class item next. What the hell is that? Carousel item. Okay. I've seen a lot of stuff. Let me see. This is the content of the first one. Okay. On line 19th, I starting to see stuff here. Like, for example, this. This is the first slide, I guess. Carousel item. We do have an FBG, a did class container, did class carousel caption, text start. Okay, I don't have that one, I think. Okay. Text start. Nope, doesn't says. Where is that supposed to be? Div class, text start. I guess I need that for something. It's enclosing the actual text for the caption. Okay. So this one here. Carousel caption class and text start. I'm looking for it, but it's no longer present anywhere. Okay, let's see. After D block. After D block. I guess I need to write this text start class on every single one. I'm guessing. I'm just testing things out. And I'm not even running this. I just trying to comply with this. In any case, I can just delete this branch and restart tomorrow building the carousel with a working copy maybe. I'm just trying to refactor this thing to be able to run as it's intended to be. Okay, text start. Do we have anything else? No. Doesn't seem so. All those things. I wonder what the hell are oh, okay, it's an SVG anyway. I don't think that's going to matter to me. Bottom primary, everything seems fine. Let's go. And I am starting looking different things here. Carousel item active. Carousel item start. What the hell is this? Carousel caption. No, I'm confusing myself now. I guess I can try to run this thing here. New and the old. And it's broken. Well, I guess I may like to take to finish because it's 8 p.m. already, Central Standard Time, and I've been working on this website the entire day. I've been working for 12 hours already. So maybe tomorrow I'm going to delete the entire carousel code and build one new carousel from scratch and be done with it. Basically, I'm going to make a new. Where is it? It's not going to be a hot fix anymore. It's not going to be a feature anymore. So I'm going to be working on this tomorrow anyway. Let's delete everything and go back just to be able to start fresh tomorrow. Okay, can I delete this? Hotfix carousel. There we go. Thank you very much. Wait, I am working on develop. I was being careless. Oh no, please tell me. This is not developed. Oh my god, never mind. It's okay. I guess I can discard all changes. Discard all to files. Yeah, bye. I was careless anyway. Never mind. Everything is back to normal now, including the refactoring process. Oh wait, never mind. It's here. Did I make a commit here? Just for that? I was being very careless. Okay, let's see. Oh, hot fits carousel into develop. Well, it's not bad. I guess I only managed to refactor this into its own file, you know, and that was the only thing I did. Let's see, index. Okay, so this is a good point of start to start tomorrow, because this work needs to be done anyway. And I just refactoring here, so nothing was lost or gained. And this entire thing should be deleted and rebuilt from scratch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste a working copy of working carousel here. And then I'm going to use that as the base to start building this thing again. And that's what I'm going to be doing now. Basically, from line number 2 to line number 88, I'm going to delete the entire thing and basically start paste a working copy for an example and then begin working from that. But that's all for today. Thank you for coming in and watch me work on this front end stuff for quite some time. And tomorrow I'm going to continue with this work. And if everything goes just fine, as you can see, migration work is really hard to do, at least for me, because I'm not familiar at all with Bootstrap 5. This is my first day with Bootstrap 5 beta 2, I guess. And a lot of the code just broke. So the only thing that is missing here is the carousel itself. And I believe that the best thing at this time will be to just allow myself to just build the thing again. And once I know how it works, and I have a working copy of this, and I understand what is going on, then I can refactor this at the same time and basically make the carousel a dynamic element entirely. So I can just feed a MongoDB database with the slides I want to show on the main page and call it a day, basically. Well, thank you for coming in.